Hi, I'm Josh Sharkey, the founder and CEO of Mies, and as you probably know, the team at Mies has been hard at work for the last 2.5 years building what I believe is the greatest recipe tool on the planet. And today, we're announcing our biggest product release of the year, something that we've been working on for over 2 years, and something that, to be honest with you, I've been excited about since long before we ever launched Mies as a company. And that's menus. Menu building, menu engineering, everything that's to do with building profitable and delicious menus in your business, you can now do in Mies. So I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. This is a typical menu in Mies. As you'll see, it probably looks somewhat familiar, except like everything in Mies, way more than meets the eye and way more functionality than you're used to. Of course, because it's Mies, you can add any recipe and any ingredient to a menu item here. And what that means is you can build a la carte menus, I can build tasting menus, I can build my wine menus, I can build my cocktail menus, I can build my catering menus. Any menu that I want to see the cost of and start to iterate on, I can do that in Mies. And I can sort by categories of my menu sections. I can sort by quantity sold or food cost or profit margin or percentage of sales, anything that I want to do to identify outliers and find opportunities I can do. I can even see the cost of my menu at every location. I can see the average cost of my menu across all my locations. Up top, I have some of the most important information. I have the theoretical food cost, the total revenue for this time period, and the total profit. And this fun little button, which I think is the most important part of the whole product right now. I click this, and now I can start to see the impact of every change that I make to my menu. I can see the impact on profit margin, on revenue, and on menu cost. This is about a 2-week period, right? And we've been getting a lot of feedback that people love the mushroom burger. And the only thing is they're saying it's a little too cheesy. So I'm gonna go to my mushroom burger, and we're using 2 ounces of Comté. So maybe that's too much. And I'm gonna try 1.75 ounces instead of 2 ounces on that burger. And now, boom, I just increased profit by $550 in the amount of cheese. Again, people love this menu item, so I think I can actually increase it by $1. So it was 30. I'm gonna see what happens when I make this item $31. As you can probably tell, boom, I just made another about $3,000 in profit. Revenue went up, and food costs actually went down because this item has a pretty low food cost. Let's say maybe I got a really good deal on prawns this week. So I want to push Scampi. I'm going to do a contest with my servers, and I think that I can get them to sell an extra 50 Scampi in the next 2 weeks. So if we do that, let's see what that does to our menu. Well, we just increased profit by almost $2,000, and our revenue obviously went up. And our food cost went down again because it's a really good food cost percentage on that item. So this is not just a way to see your report of what happened a month ago, a quarter ago, a year ago. This is a way for you to see that, but also make changes and understand the impact moving forward of what that can do to your business. As we all know, running restaurants is really hard. And at Mies, we believe that the only way that we can actually have an impact on helping you make more money is to lower your theoretical food costs. And yeah, of course you can find less expensive ingredients, you can negotiate with your purveyors. That's going to help, and we implore you to do that. But we want to make sure that we also give you a tool to maintain super delicious, super consistent menus with the data and the information that you need at your fingertips to iterate and make more profitable menus without changing any part of your operation and without affecting quality. So if you want to learn more, check us out at www.getmies.com. We're going to be working on this product for a long time. We're going to be iterating on it, adding a lot of new features. So all of your feedback is really helpful. So thank you to everybody, customers, chefs, restaurant owners and operators, my team, and the whole industry. I'm so excited for you to check out this product. And again, if you have ideas, shoot me a note. I can't wait to get it in your hands. Thank you.